Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Richmond Hill Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Usually, a long-distance move covers over 50 miles of distance. It is also called an interstate move because it is made outside the country's lines. If your move requires interstate driving, you must search for a company that specializes and has excellent reviews. Are you moving out of or into Richmond Hill? 3 Movers is close to you and has the best movers and equipment just for you. With our years of expertise, moving within and outside Richmond Hill is our niche. We are certified and own all the required documents to move for your sake. There is insurance available on every item transported by our team. Are you in doubt? You can check in with the Better Business Bureau for our standing with the federal authorities. Unlike a long-distance move, a local move is a relocation within 50 miles of the origin. Due to the local move's closeness, 3 Movers can deliver fast and efficiently. You can get the best services for $30 to $40 every hour. Once you fill a fast quote, your relocation is charged based on the number of hours spent making your move. So, it is essential to clear out the excess clutter for faster movement. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Richmond Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.